No? Is it going?
Yes.
Okay, just for reference purposes, this is a Cowboy 6900 or CB 6900. On the wider stitch length, you can see here that it would be about 3 stitches to the inch, or 3 stitches to 25mm would be about maximum width. In this case here, I'm about to stitch a heavy duty strap. That's my practice piece, which is in total about 5mm, 6mm thick. In this case here, I've taken it down from the maximum a little bit. Now, if you want, this machine can stitch out to about near 1/2 inch thick, or 12mm thick as well. Might help if we turn it on. Okay, let's see, here we go. This case here. Actually a couple of armchair straps that need replacing, and so the wide stitching in this case is more to do with what was previously on the job. I wouldn't normally like to go this wide. Okay. Be coming close on the stitch so you can see how it goes. Looking on the back, as you can see, the tension's excellent. Stitching at the faster speed, that's just the speed I'm comfortable with. You could take it out quite a bit faster than this. Long jobs like this, it's nice to be able to go fast, but as you see, you can come down to a nice slow pace if you want, without any worries. The machine handles it quite well. I'll make sure I get the right hole. Whoop. Okay, I think we'll finish at that. And there you go.
Turn him over. Over, back.
Okay.